Mayang buntag, no? Let us continue with this YY balance three-phase load. So kung kani ang ato ang system, we're going to determine the amount of current flowing in this. This is called line current. Nasa sige tawag diri nga phase current, no? Line is the same phase current kung tanaw nimo, no? But we forgot some nomenclature, no? This is our A, this will be the big A. Then this is B, baliktad. This will be our B. This will be our C. This is the big C, and this is the big B, no? So from there, we know that there is current flowing here, which is the IB. Same current flow here. This is the IB. Same current here. No, this is our IC. Same current going here, no? Continue lang man na siya pasulod. Okay? So by looking at this, kung na kay load nga Y o source nga Y, ang importante nga hunaw-hunaw nimo diri kay ang current R equals, no? Ang mga kurente ay pareho lang. What does it mean? Line current is equal to phase current, no? Kana ang makita nimo diri. Kung unsa tong niagi diri sa linya, the same current will go inside sa imuhang phases, right? So, kani ang dapat nimo nga bantayan. Okay? Now, how to solve IA? So, to solve IA, you need this formula as previously derived. A is equal to BEN over ZY. Asa man nagikan? Because they are balanced, no? Butang lang nato nino sa tunga. Because they are balanced, this will be the N, no? N is siya. We can view the whole system in this. Kung ipakita na nako, no? Sa previous na to nga lesson. In this configuration, no? Hindi mo makita diri. This will be your ZY. This will be your BAN. And this is the big A. And here, then this will be the small a. So basically, as we have seen in this configuration, na ni siya current ipadulong diri, which is the BA. Same current here. And na siya return current to the IN. Okay? Tuyok lang na siya. So, kay simple lang man siya nga circuit, we can use this formula. No? Pwede din natin magamit ng formula to calculate the current flowing. Okay? Now, so let us do some calculation. So, using this formula, IA is simply equal to, what is BEN as given above? It is 100 angle 0 degree over, what is our load? This is a 10 plus J 20 ohms. Okay? Ito nga na itong unit diri nga volts. Then IA is simply equal to, using calculator. Let me look for calculator. Okay. 100 with an angle of 0 over 10 plus 20J. Makakuha ta 4.472 angle negative 63.43 ampere, and this will be in degree. Okay? So, ana lang. So, yun lang siya, no? Ana lang siya kasimple nga. Circuit, mong tanaw nimo, naa kay kung sa DC ni siya mura rin siya giingon ana lang. Then you have load, no? This will be your source. Maybe this is 110 volts. Then you have 10 ohms nga resistance. Yun ana lang. Napakasimple lang yung tanawon. So in this case, kung makita nimo naa kay kuryente nga mag-flow dara, which is this will be your IA na. So ingana lang siya kasimple tanawon. So ako lang ni siyang i-delete. Okay, let us continue with the rest. Now, using the same formula to calculate for IB, IB now is basically BBN ZY, no? So what is BBN? 100 given sa taas, 100 angle negative 120B. Then we have 10 plus J20. So using the same technique, 100 angle negative 120 over 10 plus 20I, then you will have the same, no? 4.472, but you will have angle of 176.56 degree. Okay, so let us IC, BBC, ZY, then we have 100 angle 120 this time is positive volts, then we have 10 plus J 20 ohms. Oops, I forgot to put ohms here. So definitely it is 4.472 with an angle of butang na to daan 100 over 10 20I. Five 6.56 degree. So eventually, gikan dara, we can have IA as 4.472 angle negative 63.43 degree. IB, this will be our line current and phase current. 472 angle 176.56 degree. IC is 4.472 and 56.56 degree. Okay, that's all. Thank you.